Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. Today we're going to do a really cute piece doing a play on an embellishment with a boat and water. So let's get started. I'm starting with a white base. This is titanium white. And my canvas is a little bit of a different shape today. I think it's going to play well into the composition I have planned. It's about a 12 inch by 36 inch, which is not a size that I typically use. If you're new to my channel or acrylic paint pouring, my paint is just basic acrylic paint that I have thinned out, so to speak, with Floetrol and water. And my exact recipe for that is in another video that I will link to below. I'm also going in with some Phalo Blue. And as you can see, I'm leaving a lot of negative space over at the top of this painting, or the left on the screen here. We're gonna do a swipe technique first. And so I'm sort of just putting colors in. I'm just making sure the entire canvas is covered with paint. I'm also doing a metallic cobalt. This is one of my favorite colors. This is an Artist Loft brand. Also using a tiny bit of Aqua Green. Now, when I usually do a swipe, I will do a paper towel. It's my kind of go-to swipe, that and a cake spatula, but today I'm gonna do a paper towel. So I am going to wet one side of the paper towel with just a spray bottle of water. Adding a little more white. I am using a Amsterdam brand titanium white, which is magnificent for being a cell activator or creating those beautiful little tiny bubbles and cells. So I'm just slowly swiping in one motion across the entire canvas here. And you will start to see those cells forming right away. To help with the cells though, I am going to go in with my torch. This is a kitchen torch that I use. And I'm just going to pop any bubbles, and this is going to help create that beautiful lacing that makes it look like ocean water. I'm also going to tilt it just a little bit to get the blue a little bit higher. This can be tricky because you definitely don't want to tilt it too much, because all of those cells will start to disappear or start to become disfigured. So I'm going to go in with my hairdryer to create some splashing. Just gently going over some pieces of it. I don't want to lose the composition. I want to leave it to look like a little bit of a trail. Because once this is dry, we are going to paint a cute little boat at the top. So it's going to look like the boat is leaving this wake of beautiful blue water. So I'm just going in to add a little more splashing with my straw. It's really handy to use like a reusable straw or a plastic straw for this. It's one of my handy tools I keep next to paintbrushes and other fluid acrylic tools. All right, so now I am gonna let this dry. And I'm going to paint a tiny boat on the white part just before the entryway to the water. I'm just using a burnt sienna color, and then I did the shape of the boat, and then I kind of go over that with a little bit of light tan. And this is the final piece. See how simple it was to create this really unique and cute composition? I am so in love with this. And let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Or if there's anything else you want to see me create, go ahead and put that down below too. I love a little creative inspiration. Well, that's all the time I have for today. If you're interested in some of my other ocean-inspired pieces, I'll leave you here with a playlist of some of my favorites so you can keep watching. I'll see you next time.